arrived here sa R33 drift track, and we have this Miata Cup car na who's trying to drift and practicing for the drifting. And yan kami ngayon. So we have the BRZ, another 86, and the Miata Cup car, and we're gonna try out to drift this BRZ. Well, of course, you know, this car is well known for its capabilities to drift, and yeah, practicein natin yun. Hindi ko makuha. Isa pa. Galing. Galing! Hilo na rin ako. Ikaw? Dapat! Practice lang! Practice! Saya. What do you do for a living? Tambay lang. Thank you, Lord. Woo!
Gusto ko pa, wait lang.
Huwag masagarin. Payakin mo ng gulong. Tapos go. Sige, surutan mo. Dumiretso yung ikot mo.
Oo, parang sumasobra.
Nag-over throttle ka.
So pag sumasobra.
Oo. Pag mapipil mo sa sobra ng throttle mo, bakas mo na onti yung gas mo.
Hayaan ko lang magpumantay parang...
After a few tries, kami ni Francis and ni Sir Jay on going around the track. So, si Francis natuto na. So syempre in drifting, you have to learn the donuts first. Then after nun, figure 8. Yeah. Woo! Papabangga ako dito. What do you do for a living?
Ginta nga. Figure 8 na hilaw. Figure 8 na hilaw, pero okay pa rin. Wala.
That was the conclusion of the drifting lesson. Yeah, boy. Sige na, lalakad na lang ako, mainit yun. So that's the conclusion of our drifting lesson, and thankfully medyo umulan ngayon and basa yung kalye, so at least na-prolong natin yung tire life natin kasi ginamit natin mga lumang gulong natin from the OEM. So yun, was one of the sabay natin mag-practice dito ngayon sa R33. And it's good coming on a weekday, at least wala masyadong kasabay, and no, it's fun. Yeah, boy.
Save that for next time. Dito pa ba kayo?
Hindi na sir, okay na. Next time.
Okay pa ba?
Hindi na.
So yan, bawal na yun? Or pwede pa?
Pwede mo pa pang practice, pang ikot-ikot, donut.
Gamitin natin yung left side. Doon na to. Pang-ubus lang. Ano pag dinarek mo to?
So,
Pero
yan. Tapos na yung gulong natin. We're putting back the race tires again. Yan. Ayun. Pudpod na pudpod. Salamat kuya. Salamat. Ayan. Ubus na ubus. Nababas na yung fly. Direct. Yan. So nabalik na yung not the stock tires but the OEMs. Meron sir, yung galing sa shop. Sa gitna.
Silipin mo kung saan nila.
Sa transfer case. Saan? Yung ano mo yan? Yung tawag dito? Treadwear.